You said so, I asked you to try again.
What does that mean?
I said it was deeper. You said so. And I said, that was wrong in a different way. You mean saying it was deeper and so.
I'm like this with the roast beef.
How would you say that?
Does that mean I can't wait? Heyo! I decided to make a thoughts from places this week for no particular reason, just because I can. All my family is here except for my mom. There's my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Lily's over there. Hi. Could you even see her? There you go. There you go. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to do like a take it somewhere video this week, because I'm pretty sure you're all getting bored of seeing my upstairs hallway, so yeah. Not really a story this week, just sharing our cool nature center and thinking a lot about how things have changed since I came here when I was a little kid. So yeah, it's kind of nostalgic, but like as I'm getting ready to head out to LA, a lot of things are getting nostalgic. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed my nature center video. Bye! Okay, so just to note, this is gonna be a super jump cutting montage video, so excuse the editing lack of skills, because I have none.
Yes, you have.
Here, tell me when you've got a picture. I want to find your profile. I'll send it to you. You go ahead. I'm filming it.
I can't hear what he's saying. Can I throw that? It looks like
Oh! There he is.
what a kitty.
There he go.
Okay, I'll send you that. Sorry, I just saw the butterfly. Supposedly something. Oh, sweetie. Okay, yeah.
Rivers. Nature. Dad, stop. Show me.
You can't see them. They're too small. Are you filming?
Show.
I don't have any more.
Yes, I'm filming us emerging from the woods.
You're recording. There's no film involved. This is film.
Is this going to go on your
I'm
YouTube video?
recording, yes.
Peace.
The beauty of filming on your thing is leaking.
Very candid. That's for sure.
The beauty of filming on location with only one possible take you can take. Stop, Lil.
Well, you said it's going on your video.
I did. I want to show them what the nature center looks like, not what your face looks like.
All the people who I subscribe to live in Austin. It'll make the film run, the ink run.